Alright guys, got a quick one for you today. So if you want your hood in a service position kind of like a Honda, and you got yourself a P80, like an older style Volvo right here, follow these quick steps and we'll get you going. First step is, it's got to be one of the ones where the hood comes all the way down and the whole bumper comes up. The newer ones don't work, it doesn't look like. So it only be in this one. First step, you're going to be going over here, getting under here, popping this. Go over here, lift it up a little bit, pull that up, flip her up. Pull it down just a little. Locate this right here. Grab that. We're going to push that down. Same thing on the other side. Grab this, push it down like that. And we're going to toss this up. And now you're in a wide open position. That way you can enjoy your engine, or you can get in there and you can actually just get up here and do any work you need to do. Hope this helped.